So we start this month's I Have the Power show with the photos of our very own Kamlesh from Pune, who's also the founder of Plug in India, and he sent us this message along with the incredible photos of his e-addict e-bike ride in Pune. And hey Amit and Rafe, awesome job on the Plug in India show, and my favorite part of the show is I Have the Power, as it shows the power of the EV community who have kicked the oil habit, and I'm sure this section of the show will inspire thousands to switch to EVs. Here are some pics from me. I've been having my e-addict bike for the past 3 years and have done close to 2000 kilometers, and the battery is still doing fine. I know my cyclist friends who were skeptical of e-bikes and now realizing its benefits, and they want to get one. That makes me really happy.
Awesome, Amit, and let's take a look at the photos. So this is the first photo showing a beautiful Snell cycle with the e-addict kit with the backdrop of the Pavna river in monsoon. So the river is almost full to the brim. Awesome shot. Again, e-addict bike, beautiful scenery, and this is something about Pune, Amit, that I find very amazing. It's got greenery, the water bodies are clean, and you can actually go around in your cycle and enjoy nature. Here they visited a temple on the hilltop, and with these bikes it's very easy to climb such hills. The pedal assist that the electric bike gives you makes it a breeze.
Yep.
Here's a green forest. All the way you can see from the top of the hill a green forest surrounding you, and again e-addict with Schnell cycle. Here are the cyclists heading back down. And here's Atulji cycling, green lawns in the background. This is the 70-kilometer round trip, and they still had 1 bar of battery left. 60% of it was electric and 40% human powered.
Sticking to the Plug in India team in the I Have the Power section, we have our very own Atulji, who sent a video of completing 1000 kilometers on his Feliday e-bike.
Let's have a look, guys. This is Atulji, and with his Feliday e-bike. And the video is self-descriptive. Let's take a look at the video. So there you have it, guys. Atulji reaching a 1000 kilometer mark on his Feliday e-bike.
So Atulji actually uses his cycle regularly every day and is an amazing example for all of us to use e-bikes within the city limits.
That's
or
right.
Even outside.
Here are some more photos of Atulji with his Feliday e-bike.
We're going to show you some celebrities owning EVs now. Mandira Bedi, actress Mumbai, owner of a Tata Nexon EV. Robin Uthappa, cricketer, Bengaluru, owner of an Ampere Magnus Pro electric scooter. Raninder Singh, an accomplished international level trap shooter from Punjab, owner of an Okinawa Praise Pro.
It's awesome to see this on Amit. Let's hope that these EVs inspire more Indians to adopt electric vehicles.
Vivek Ahuja from Delhi, owner of a Tata Nexon EV, has sent some photographs of him trying a DC fast charge for his Tata Nexon EV.
He says, today I visited the plug-and-go charger at Patparganj, Delhi. Not working, so I had to go back. Then he says, on the second attempt, it was a success. It charged for 2 units at rupees 10, and above that it's free. Wow, that's amazing. This is much better experience than last time I went. It was all off. The next photo, he says, and now they have even an attendant to help people. Maybe my tweet to Mr. Sisodia made an impact, as he had inaugurated the site.
Vivek Ahuja has also written a blog of his Tata Nexon EV ownership on the site. We encourage you guys to go read it. The link is in the description.
Thank you, Vivek, for creating this blog and for being one of our YouTube channel members. We really appreciate your support. Thank you.
Thank you. Kamlesh Mundara from Nasik, who owns a Revolt electric motorcycle, has sent some photographs of him meeting a Tata Nexon EV owner. Let's look at those photographs. Kamlesh met Mr. Shrikant Wagh, who is the first owner of Nexon EV. They all standing together there, and just looking at those green number plates makes me happy. Looks very dashing, both the bike and the car together.
So Amit, Kamlesh is a very avid EV enthusiast. and he has been sending us his experiences and really utilizing this I Have the Power section.
Yes.
And we encourage all of you to do the same. Just because of his electric vehicle, he has met so many people who are like-minded, who are caring for the planet, and who want to see a better tomorrow. So thanks Kamlesh for sharing with us.
Sri Chakradhar Varanasi, owner of a pure EV Pluto 7G, has sent us a video, and he also writes to us saying, "Dear Plug-in India, I have migrated from petrol scooter to an EV. Thanks to your reviews and suggestions, I have acquired pure EV Pluto 7G in the month of June and have since not looked back. I have also made a short video of my user experience, sharing the video link along with this email. Thanks for educating us about the electric vehicle world." Please go ahead and look at that video.
So Amit, we shared this video with the Pure EV team and they were very happy, and now he features on their social media channels as well.
Awesome.
So thanks for sharing, Sri Chakradhar.
Hemang Dibade from Pune has sent some photographs and video clips of Tata Nexon owners meetup in Pune. Here are the photographs.
So guys, here's a video and you can see the Tata Nexon tailing another Tata Nexon on the highway at highway speeds. So this is really amazing. It's just fun to watch, isn't it? A quiet EV whizzing past you. And here they are at Kailash Parbat, where they finally reached their halfway mark. And these guys all in masks, ready for the occasion. Different colored Nexons though. I like the white and the blue.
And there is a E2 also.
And an E2O there as well, yes. That's fantastic. So here we have these cars lined up again. These are good looking cars, Amit. They've got a nice butch stance. And in the monsoons, they're able to handle all weather conditions. So guys, Hemang Dibade owns Northway Motorsport, who has just developed extension packs and range extenders and battery replacements for the E2O series and E2O Plus series, of course. So guys, the name of the channel is Northway Motorsports EV R&D. So this is somebody who's really interested in research and development and has put the tools and the resources behind it to make it happen for all of us. So thank you Hemang for doing this, and we look forward to a long association with you.
Tabraiz, an owner of a Tata Nexon EV in Mumbai, shares his photographs of his journey to Pune and to Satara and return. He says he drove alone with AC with moderate speeds of 70 to 80 km per hour, as when you go towards Pune, you have to climb the ghats. He directly reaches the Tata Motors Pune dealer at Tatawade and charges there. He fully charges on their DC charger and then proceeds for Satara, another 130 km ahead, while returning again a full charge at the same place and coming back downhill at full speed.
So all you Tata Nexon EV owners in Mumbai, here is a way for you to do your Mumbai, Pune, Satara, Mahabaleshwar trips with your Nexon EV.
Awesome to see how electric cars are getting so practical for other city trips, and thanks to Tabraiz for sharing his photographs. The Revolt Owners Group sent us some photographs of the Revolt electric motorcycle being used in out-of-city drive.
Here are some pics. And we can see these beautiful red bikes lined up against the green background. Beautiful hills, rolling hills and rivers. All three lined up. They seem to be RV 400s. Amit, this is the slide for the My Rides from the mobile app of the Revolt. And what you can see is that it's 100% eco mode. And they traveled 66 kilometers one way. And after which they had 48% SOC consumed, which means they had a little bit more than enough to get back all the way. So probably they want to do one round trip in a single charge and not have to charge in the halfway mark. This might be good. While this might be good for people who want a peaceful, quiet, calm ride, but there might be other bike users who want a zippy ride, who want to go fast, and who want to experience the wind in their face kind of feeling. So they will have to definitely charge once. So it depends on what kind of riding you want to do, but the Revolt is able to do both. It can give you a fast, sporty feel, and it can give you a cool, calm, economy feel as well. So there you go guys, enjoy riding these bikes, and we hope you join the EV bandwagon just like we all have, and we drive electric and so can you.
Rafe, did you see that, all the pictures were out there in the rain, green, and all the EV users were having a great time just driving their electric vehicles all over
Certainly.
hillside, the temples. So nice, as in,
Beautiful.
I'm just urging to get one of our drives to
Exactly.
go for.
I want to get a car. I want to get a bike. Even though I already have a car, I want to get a better one. So it really makes me want to do a lot more exploring.
Send us your photos and videos, and we will feature you in the I Have the Power section. The email link is in the description below.